Hello, very warm welcome. It's Simon at D.M Keith Suzuki. I'm at the Bradford Canal Road site this morning. Glorious day filming, and what a perfect colour for a day like this. This is a 24 July registered new style Swift. It's the Motion, and it's finished in cool yellow pearl. What a funky colour this one is. I was sat with my valet earlier on this morning and we were thinking, you know, this colour's growing on me more and more and more the more I look at it. I really do like it. It's incredible. It's done 4,150 miles. It's the self-charging mild hybrid, so hybrid standard across the range now from Suzuki. Amazing spec on the Motion. I drive one of these very models myself. Colour reverse cameras, parking sensors at the back. You've got these new faster reaction LED tail lights, so the input from the foot pedal to the, you know, relating to it, brake lighting is reduced. Super alloy wheels. Every single one of them is perfect. Every body panel's perfect. You have got keyless access in and out of the vehicle. Just leave the keys in your pocket, and similarly there's a start and stop button inside. Newer style front waterfall grille. Just with this bit more sort of aggressive look, and just behind that panel there, guys, is a beam being sent down the road, just making sure that you're not getting really close up to things, so you can hit the brakes for you if you do. That camera up there recognises the speed of the areas you're going into, 30s, 50s, really useful on the motorways, the overhead gantries. But yeah, gorgeous thing, mega colour, just wonderful, huge saving, available to drive away. Inside you've got this brilliant, they've stayed with the sort of DNA of the Swift in the style of the seats, but the cushioning, the memory foam is even better still. I spent days in a car, literally, and it's amazing how comfortable they are. They're heated as well. The heater controls are just down there, folks, just next to the handbrake switch, the handbrake lever. If you look around the dashboard, you've noticed they've made it a little bit more interesting now, broken it up a little bit, but they've got this fabulous, huge media unit in there now. So that is colour reversing camera that we've mentioned. It's got full navigation, it's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which are both wireless, so throw your your phone in your pocket, don't worry about digging it out. And then your heater controls there, and loads and loads and loads of connectivity down the bottom there. Automatic headlights. The adaptive cruise function is a glorious thing to use on dual carriageways and motorways. It enables the car to effectively just set a solid distance between it and the car in front, and even if their speed's altering, it will moderate it, you know, accelerate just to maintain the same. Nearly 57 to the gallon. That's getting, you know, close to what I'm getting out of mine. I've had mine about 2 weeks. It's getting 62 out of it now. It will have a stacker warranty. It'll have warranty until July 2027, and then yearly onwards from that you have a service conducted by ourselves, and we give you another year of warranty and roadside assistance, and then again and again and again, guys, and we'll do it until the car's 7 years old. So till July 2031 this car could remain under warranty with roadside assistance, purely for having it serviced, which you would do anyway. I mean, it's an investment, wouldn't you? You'd always want to make sure it was treated right and looked after properly. I'm going to put links into the description box. I've been doing it now. It's successful. It enables customers to click onto a single car rather than traipsing through pages and pages. But after you've looked at this vehicle, you could always drop the filters down, change colours and things like that. So this is at BD2 1QN. That's our Bradford Canal Road site. Guys, have a fantastic day. We look forward to maybe seeing you if you're popping along, or hearing from you soon. Oh, incidentally, the link, it's got a test drive request and things like that on there. If you want to come for a test drive just on the day, please bring your driving licence with you. It's important, and obviously make a note of your national insurance number, which you think, oh, that's so we can insure you fully while you're out. Have a great day. Drive safely as always. Take care, and all of the best.